All right, I am here at the family cottage where we just so happen to have a cold one. How's that for convenient? Apologies, I have to talk over the river, but I hope you hear me. I'm going to show you how to make an entire weekend's worth of cocktails in about 5 minutes. We are going with Jack and Cokes, which are very popular. We get a lot of requests for. So I had a tequila drink in here, and normally I would rinse it out, but it was, I had it in there yesterday. It was cold. There was still CO2 on it, so I'm just going to drain this out, drain the CO2 out of the keg, and I'm going to move forward with the next drink. Say what you will. Remove the spear. And it is virtually empty. Smells a little bit like tequila. Are you going to be mad? Alright, let's put the Jack in. I prepped this already, so you didn't have to watch me fumble, except for maybe that pour. This part is so fun. Alright. As mentioned in our prior videos, you like to put the liquor in before the fizzy drinks. It seems to make the fizzy drinks less fizzy. We got 3 2-liters of Coke. Should be about the perfect amount. And everybody's going to say, oh, you're letting all the CO2 out. It's going to be flat. Well, you're wrong. I should say that nicer. You're wrong. Sorry, but you're wrong. The CO2 will be supplied by the little CO2 cartridge that we'll put in, which you will see, sort of. I'm not really going to get too zoomed in on this video because we've done so many of them. I'm just showing you what I'm doing for my weekend with family. Now, I know you're going to say, maybe not you, but some people are going to say, oh, Jack and Coke is terrible. You need Jim Beam and Diet. You need Captain and Dr. Pepper. You need vodka and Sprite. Well, guess what? You can do any of those in the cold one. So use your imagination. Imagine that I'm pouring in the thing that you want me to pour in. And everything's going to be hunky-dory, as they say. Getting close to full, and we're full. So, as you can see, it's not quite 3 2-liters. Put the spear in. And then when you go to mix it, you don't have to go crazy. But you want to shake it up a little bit. I usually speed this part up. I usually speed all of it up, and our videos last about 30 seconds. Take the lid mat off. Slap the keg in. Make sure the plug's in. I'm going to tap the keg. First, I'm going to make sure my faucet's closed, which it is. CO2 is off. Engage the coupler. Grab a bag of ice. It takes about one small bag of ice. Should last about the entire weekend. Especially if you start with cold liquids, that's the key. You don't have to, but I always do. It makes life so much easier. Shut it. Throw your lid mat on. Quit touching your face. So it turns out that my cartridge is empty. So I'm going to swap that out real quick, and I'll show you. See that? There you go. See that? There's a hole punctured in there. That's how you know it was used. This one just has a little dimple on it. This one's not used. But guess how easy it is to put a new one in? There you go. Spin it until it starts to get tight, and then commit. Every once in a while, you'll hear a little psst, which we did that time, and it's fine. Turn it up to 10. grab yourself a cup, get some clean ice, and it's go time. Just like that. Jack and Cokes for the entire weekend in, I don't know, 5 minutes and 15 seconds. I'll take it. Cheers.